All right, what's up, everybody? How you doing today? This is the ROG Zephyrus G14 2022. Finally, it's here. We were able to do some unboxing. I'm gonna see what we have inside. I'm gonna break this playlist into a multiple videos. If you actually watch my previous Zephyrus G14 2020 version, I had a lot of videos, around 70 or maybe I think 60 to 70 videos, breaking down every aspect of this laptop. Now with this 2022 version, I'll do the same thing. So stay tuned, guys, and subscribe, and all the drill. So let's open up this box. Yeah, look at this content, Zephyrus. It's like, you have nice, boxing experience. Look at this. Now, the good thing about this version that I have is it actually supports a very important aspect here. It is, let me just show you this part over here. Oh, the camera shows it. So this, guys, is the Eclipse Gray version with the Animatrix. So this includes the Animatrix. The 2020 version that I had didn't include the Animatrix, but here we're gonna have a lot of tricks, a lot of I'm gonna dedicate one video by itself on the Animatrix. I'm gonna show you a lot of things. Let's just start with the unboxing. So, oh man, I hope the quality control of this laptop goes well, because I'm hearing a lot of issues with the quality control, not with Zephyrus G14, but this year, I know from Reddit, but I'll have the faith that this one is perfect, no issues at all. Otherwise, I have to go back and return it. I have only 1 day to return it, so let's just hope so. All right, so let's open up the box. I hope this is the right. Okay, let me just flip the box all over here so it can. Whoopsie. All right, there you go. So let's start. Bismillah. All right, where is this? Okay, all right, we're ready. Let's do this. All right. Okay, so as you can see, the boxing experience, you open up the box, the laptop get lift up, and we have a couple of things here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just try to flip the camera here. So in the box here, we have this guy over here. Just do some zoom in. What is this? I don't know what is this, but we have it's like a mouse, a robotic mouse or something. And then we have plus, game on, all that stuff. Anyways, I'll just stick to what we have, what we know. So let's go back and flip it back here. All right, so this is the laptop. As you can see, wrapped up in a good situation here. We have, okay, so let me just show you what we have here. So this is the Zephyrus G14, as you can see. Animatrix LED 16:10 QHD display with 500 nits. Awesome. DDR5 for 8000 megahertz. So that's so super fast. We have iGPU and the GPU MUX switch, which is awesome. I'm going to show you the battery life and how we're actually going to do it here. We have vapor chamber cooling system and liquid metal thermal compound. So a lot of cooling going on here, guys. A lot of cooling. I'm very excited to see how can we drop the temperature, how we can extend the battery life beyond what people trying to do. So I'm gonna show you that. Stay tuned, guys. Let's look at, we have here Dolby Vision, Atmos, and HDR, and advanced audio experience. So the audio is supposed to be great. They moved the speakers up front over here, so we're gonna check the quality of the speakers. And Wi-Fi 6E, guys, super fast. So here is just you know, the quick look here. This is a ROG Nebula display, so it's just like a special edition displays that ROG or ASUS provide here. QHD 3 millisecond panel, super fast, 500 nits, 100% DCI PA3 coverage, Pantone validated, so it's really good when you look it in your eyes. It's not that like any other screen that actually could hurt your eyes. And we have also adaptive sync technology and Dolby Vision HDR. So a lot of things in this package, man, a lot of things. So let's put the laptop aside and see what else we have here. Okay, so this is something that I don't know what it is. Let me just check. So that's I was flipping the box and I hear this. It's very annoying. I thought the laptop is just something happening, but it's just the paperwork, guys. I'm chilling. So this is in Saudi Arabia, by the way. This is this oh, that's good. I have extra 10% discount, premier care. I can extend my warranty. So that's what happens when you buy stuff in Saudi Arabia, guys. So you get treated with a lot of good stuff. I'll keep that aside. So just the paperwork, no big deal, guys. Just paperwork. And what else we have here? Is there something inside? Nope. Oh, nothing here. Okay, so this is probably the charger. Oh my god, I hope it's not that big. It looks big. Whoa, look at this. So that's the cable, and this is the charger. It's quite bigger than the one we had in 2020. That one was a little bit smaller, but this one is a kind of, yeah, it's a big one. But you know, it's better than nothing, you know. So this is 240 watts. That's a quick charge also, so that's a good thing. That's it, guys. I think this is what we have here. Just the laptop, the charger, and that's it. Let me double check. We have stuff here. I don't know, they might be hiding something. But anyways, this is the unboxing experience, everybody. Let me just put the booklets. So next, I'm going to open up the PC or the laptop, and I'm gonna check some other things like spec, the screen, all that stuff. So stay tuned, guys. You know what? Let me just look at this. Let me just open up. I want to make sure that everything is fine here. Let me take out the stickers, because this thing, guys, is hard to find, especially in the Middle East, in this area, because this was actually only sold in Best Buy in the United States. It's not in Amazon, it's not in anything, but you know, Jerry Bookstore decided to bring it. Shout out to Jerry Bookstore. And here we go. That's the beauty over here. Check this out. Let's open up the lid. Hope everything is fine. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, so it was protecting the screen over here. It's not protecting the keyboard. I'm just quickly double checking the keyboard. That's good. Okay, everything is fine. This is running on power. Nope. No power, have to plug it up. Anyways, guys, that's it. That's unboxing. Thank you, everybody, and see you the next video.